With EasyEdge's cloud-first edge platform, you get a full overview of all your factory sites, effortlessly switch between locations, and connect to a wide range of assets across multiple industrial protocols, all in one unified environment. With built-in high availability, EasyEdge ensures resilient, always-on data pipelines. Managing data collection from multiple assets is simple and efficient. EasyEdge lets you centralize inputs from a variety of machines and protocols without complex configuration or coding. With a unified tag central, you can structure, name, and monitor all tags in one place, regardless of their origin, ensuring consistency across your entire factory network. Connecting data to applications is quick and seamless. With EasyEdge's namespace, you can organize and contextualize your data to mirror your factory's structure. If needed, each data stream can be transformed directly at the edge, scaling, calculating, or filtering values before they ever leave the plant. Once your project is fully configured in EasyEdge Studio, deployment to the edge is just a click away, and because high availability is enabled, the platform automatically deploys to both gateways, ensuring redundancy, failover protection, and reliable data collection right at the edge. Learn more on how to simplify IT/OT convergence at easyedge.io.